The art of strategic snacking. Fueling your body and mind the smart way in Multan and beyond. In the bustling rhythm of daily life, especially in a vibrant city like Multan, Punjab, Pakistan, where work, family, and social engagements often intertwine, the time between main meals can stretch, leaving us vulnerable to energy dips and poor food choices driven by intense hunger. This is where the concept of strategic snacking emerges as a powerful tool for optimizing our health and well-being. Far from being a dietary indulgence, strategic snacking is a mindful and planned approach to eating small, nutrient-dense foods between meals to maintain stable energy levels, prevent overeating, and provide a steady stream of essential nutrients. 1. This comprehensive article will delve into the art and science of strategic snacking, exploring its numerous benefits, the key principles behind it, practical strategies for implementation tailored to the context of Multan and beyond, common pitfalls to avoid, and how to make snacking an integral part of a smart and sustainable approach to overall health. Beyond the impulse. Defining strategic snacking. Strategic snacking is not about mindlessly grabbing whatever is convenient when hunger strikes. Instead, it involves planning and preparation. Thinking ahead about what and when you will snack. Nutrient density. Choosing snacks that are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats and protein, rather than empty calories. 3. Timing. Strategically scheduling snacks to bridge the gap between meals and prevent extreme hunger. 4. Portion control. Being mindful of the amount consumed to avoid excessive calorie intake. Purposeful eating. Snacking with intention to fuel your body and mind, rather than out of boredom or emotional triggers. The multifaceted benefits of strategic snacking. When implemented thoughtfully, strategic snacking offers a wealth of advantages. Stabilized blood sugar levels. Regular, small snacks can help prevent drastic fluctuations in blood sugar, leading to more consistent energy levels and reduced cravings for sugary or processed foods. This is particularly beneficial in managing energy slumps during long working hours in Multan's often warm climate. Preventing overeating at main meals. By staving off extreme hunger, strategic snacking can help you make more mindful choices and consume smaller portions during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 5. Enhanced nutrient intake. Choosing nutrient-dense snacks provides opportunities to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your daily diet, contributing to overall vitamin and mineral intake. This can supplement the staple diet in Multan with essential micronutrients. Improved focus and concentration. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels through strategic snacking can lead to better cognitive function, focus, and productivity throughout the day, crucial for work or studies in Multan. 6. Weight management support. When chosen wisely and portioned appropriately, strategic snacking can help manage hunger and prevent overeating, ultimately contributing to healthy weight maintenance. 7. Fueling workouts and physical activity. Well-timed snacks before and after exercise can provide the necessary energy and support muscle recovery, important for individuals leading active lives in Multan. Meeting increased nutritional needs. Certain individuals, such as pregnant or breastfeeding women, athletes, and those with certain medical conditions, may benefit from strategic snacking to meet their increased nutritional demands. Key principles for smart snacking. To harness the full benefits of strategic snacking, it's essential to adhere to these key principles. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Don't snack just because it's snack time. Pay attention to genuine hunger signals and eat when you feel your energy levels dipping or before you become overly hungry. Prioritize protein and fiber. These nutrients promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and preventing energy crashes. 8. Think nuts, seeds, yogurt, fruits with skin, and vegetables with hummus. Include healthy fats. Small amounts of healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, can also contribute to satiety and provide essential fatty acids. 9. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Opt for whole, minimally processed snacks over sugary, refined, or highly processed options that offer little nutritional value. Consider the availability of fresh, local produce in Moulton's markets. Practice portion control. Be mindful of serving sizes. Even healthy snacks can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. 10. Use small bowls or pre-portioned snacks into containers. Plan ahead and be prepared. Keep healthy snacks readily available at home, work, and when you're on the go in Moulton. This reduces the temptation to grab less nutritious options when hunger strikes. Consider timing. Experiment to find the snack times that work best for your individual needs and schedule. Generally, a mid-morning and mid-afternoon snack can be effective for most people. Hydrate between snacks. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. 11. Ensure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Practical strategies for implementing strategic snacking in Moulton and beyond. Here are some actionable tips for seamlessly integrating strategic snacking into your daily routine. Stock your kitchen and workplace wisely. Keep a variety of healthy snack options readily available. In Moulton, this could include seasonal fruits like mangoes and guavas, locally sourced nuts and seeds, and yogurt. Prepare grab-and-go snacks. Spend some time each week preparing portable snacks like cut vegetables with hummus, hard-boiled eggs, or homemade energy balls. Pack smart snacks for outings. When you're heading out for errands or social gatherings in Moulton, bring your own healthy snacks to avoid relying on less nutritious options. Learn to identify mindful portions. Familiarize yourself with appropriate serving sizes for different snack foods. A handful of nuts, a small apple, or half a cup of yogurt are generally good guidelines. Incorporate snacks into your daily schedule. Just like meals, plan your snack times to prevent hunger from building up excessively. Be mindful of liquid calories. Avoid sugary drinks like sodas and juices as snacks. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water instead. Make smart choices when eating out. If you need a snack while you're out in Moulton, look for healthier options like fresh fruit, a small salad, or a handful of nuts from a local vendor. Listen to your body's signals. Pay attention to how different snacks make you feel in terms of energy levels and satiety. Adjust your choices accordingly. Smart snack ideas for Moulton and beyond. Here are some nutrient-dense and portable snack ideas to consider. Fruits. Apples, bananas, oranges, berries, mangoes, seasonal in Moulton. Guavas, seasonal in Moulton. Vegetables: carrot sticks, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips with hummus or a light dip. 12. Nuts and seeds: almonds, walnuts, pistachios, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, unsalted and in moderation. 13. Yogurt: plain Greek yogurt with berries or a drizzle of honey. 14. Hard-boiled eggs: a good source of protein. 15. Whole grain crackers with avocado or cheese. Choose whole grain varieties for added fiber. Homemade energy balls: made with oats, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Small salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas, a more substantial snack option. Popcorn, air-popped, unsalted, a whole grain, low-calorie option. Common pitfalls to avoid. While strategic snacking can be beneficial, it's important to avoid these common pitfalls. Mindless snacking out of boredom or emotion. Be mindful of your reasons for snacking and address emotional eating through other coping mechanisms. Choosing sugary or processed snacks. These can lead to energy crashes and offer little nutritional value. 16. Excessive portion sizes. Even healthy snacks can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much. 17. Not planning ahead. Relying on convenience often leads to less nutritious choices. Ignoring hunger cues. Snacking out of habit rather than genuine hunger can lead to overeating. Conclusion: fueling your well-being one smart bite at a time. Strategic snacking is a powerful tool for optimizing energy levels, preventing overeating, and enhancing nutrient intake throughout the day. Whether you're navigating the bustling streets of Multan or leading a busy life elsewhere. 18. By understanding the principles of mindful snacking, prioritizing nutrient-dense options, planning ahead, and listening to your body's cues, you can transform snacking from a potential pitfall into a valuable strategy for sustained energy, improved focus, and long-term well-being. Embrace the art of strategic snacking and fuel your body and mind the smart way, one delicious and purposeful bite at a time.